Crump. Finna talk like I'm crumping. Yeah. Drinking a lot, going all around in the cave. All I hear is jerkaholics, new boys, jerk kings, all this shit. Fuck that shit, bitch. It's all about rapping and crumping, bitch. Can't do it, sit your ass down. Stop fucking freestyling this shit. You know what I'm talking about, nigga? Cause you a jerkaholic. You know what I'm talking about? You jerk off all night. You ain't getting enough pussy. I'ma tell you how to get it. I'ma fuck this mic like I'ma fuck your wife. And that's real talk, I'ma fuck her all night. And when I leave, you gon' have my C's all over your wifey face when you kiss her. That's real talk, you gon' miss her, she coming back. I'ma gon' take her back like a fucking crack. Yeah, I come back like that. When I come through, I'ma hit you with the AK-47 to the face, nigga, you can have that. I ain't give a fuck when your wifey said she had, man. Half black, half blind, I mean, nigga, I don't know what the fuck you seen. And I ain't gon' tell it, and I ain't gon' lie about it. And I'ma tell the truth, and you gon' hide about it. You gon' speak to me, and I'ma speak to you. And when you come through, you better have your troops come through hard like you say you is, though. Nigga, you ain't shit, nigga, you ain't got no fofo. I got everything there. Aight. As I proceed, let me get in my procedure. Mind over everything, should I repeat it? Yeah, my fire pin snap, yeah, I'm about to blow it out. Time never relapse, let me recap. Close caption, here's the time go. Yeah, I'm about to blow another year like I know where I go, did I do? Yeah, I'm so high, don't never fall down in the clouds like I know. Well, I go so high, so slow, so low, never go, yeah, I'm solo. Bird up or solo, yeah, solo.
Okay, Young T Banks, listen, I flow ripper, flow spitter, you already know I'm a go-getter, so I go get it. And listen how I do it, man, I'm gon' spit it, I'm gon' rip it like wet paper. I'm higher than the fucking skyscraper. I dived off, but ain't suicided. And man, when I dived off, that's me, young boy, I'm gliding. I got wings on my back, what you know about that? You don't know nothing, so stop stunting. I know you frontin', I heard it all, I done it all, but I seen it all. I don't give a fuck, man, young boy T back, yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, I put the knuckles up, you don't wanna get hit. Yes, it's an uppercut in your chin. Yeah, I'm back again, young twin, burn my throat like I shot a gun when I spit again. Yeah, this young verse is the curse, so I'm at it, dog. Listen, fuck drugs, I'm a flow addict, dog.
I'm too high to land, yeah, I need a parachute. I'm about to straight kick it off like a pair of boots. I'm taking it back, Kucha Kente, nappy roots. Riding in that two-door pink Ferrari coupe. You ain't fucking with me, get your face back. Your girl pre-riding in that pink Cadillac with the 24s and them lifted those. Boy, where you at? Nobody knows. Can you stomach that, boy? I burnt the track. Nigga, roger that. Bring it right back. Yeah, I kill it. Every time I rip it, I just spill it. I just spill the beans. Yeah, I fucking kill it. No prescription for this illness, boy. You about to feel it. I'm about to bring that fire. Yeah, I'm the realest. I'm about to fucking kill it. Listen to what I said. It's Lady Mackin on this shit. I hit it on the head like a nail in the coffin. Bitch, you coughing. You listen to the beat. Yeah, I fucking spark it. Like a lighter with a cigarette, bitch, where it's at, I need that shit, yeah, I take the track back. Yeah, it's Lady Mackin, huh?
Lady Mackin, bitches.
We out, huh?